Estrada Coronel Nicolau de Mesquita, de Mefu将马路. Coronel Nicolau de Mesquita, streets of Macau. Coronel Nicolau de Mesquita, streets in Taipa. Oh, oh, oh. Coronel Nicolau de Mesquita, yeah, 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 yeah. Coronel Nicolau de Mesquita, walking down Estrada Coronel Nicolau de Mesquita, just walking through the streets of Macau.
Okay, so our target street is going to be going around this building and going up. Before we go up, we'll just kind of give you a little context to where we are. But we're in Taipa area. That bus go by. That right there is all Taipa Central, all those buildings there. This goes all the way to the Cotai Strip, the casinos, if I follow this route. And then we're at this place called In Hotel with all the got this big house, lotus leaf thing. Okay, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we're starting this at. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that is what we're going to be leaving behind. That is Taipa Central. That is Sun Yat-sen Avenue. And our target street is going to be around the corner a little bit. So we're going to walk that way. Just kind of show you. This has a little bit of like black and white tiles. The Inn Hotel. So if you're here, you kind of have this nice, let me just kind of take a look here. So there's the name, Inn Hotel. That does look really beautiful from this angle, doesn't it? So we're going to be going away from where the people are at. So the people are in Taipa Central more so. This is Taipa Central, so you can see all of these, almost all these tall buildings, but that's going to the casinos, but this is where all the tall buildings are at, and that kind of marks more of the density of Taipa. But we're going to be walking down this street. This street is called Estrada Coronel Nicolau de Mesquita. And this one also has some tall buildings as well, but this is not really connected to the other ones. There's another factory straight this way too. So when you come into this area, like everything is kind of that way, and then when you come up here this hill a little bit, it's more like driving oriented basically. So there's an old factory right there. Then we have another street right here, Beca do Parelo. And then this big mountain right here is called Taipa Grande. And there's hiking trails up there. You can overlook the airport from up there. You can overlook Taipa, overlook all kinds of cool stuff. Huh. Never see a car coming up this way. Let me see, looks like this is a pharmaceutical company. Avion. It's been there for quite a long time. I haven't walked on the street in a long time, but I remember walking by that and seeing the pharmaceutical company before. These buildings over here can be quite interesting. If you get into the middle of them, you just kind of look up like in this wall of apartments all around you. I forget the name of this. I think I heard once that it was like kind of like social housing originally. I don't know if it still is, but I think there was some reference that I heard to that. So in an effort to make sure everybody had proper housing, they built those. I've also seen some different changes over here too. They used to have a bar, maybe where that cube was at. They had a little interesting bar for a little while. They also had, you hear all the sirens over there. They also had a music store. I think the music store is gone too. Yeah, now there's a medical, there's a dentist, Taipa, education one. And that's where we're just walking at. And this is the entrance to this pharmacy, which we're not allowed to go into. Then yeah, you can just kind of see these wall of apartments everywhere. Some streets in Macau are very interesting, and some are more mundane. So this one is more mundane. I don't really film it very often, but you know, these things won't stay the same. Like, these weren't always here. There was a day when those were not here, and then there's a day when they were here. Things change like that. So I do want to capture those things as they change. And who knows, maybe even this pharmacy might change in the future as well. Let's see. I guess that's the front entrance. I don't know what the plan is with that, but you know, things do change. That could turn into something different. Tall buildings everywhere. And where we're going to be coming up to in a moment is this, come up to a couple stuff actually. Here's a cemetery for one. So the actually up in the background is, I think that's part of the pharmaceutical company. And we're going to be ending over by this bus stop in a moment. Here's our target street. There you go. And then before we end our video, we're gonna walk around this little area over there in a minute. But before we do, this road, you can actually drive it. It goes all the way up. This way goes all the way up to the top, and you can have these amazing views over there. I have a shrine right here. Okay, so we are gonna walk across. And then down here, we're gonna walk. So our street actually changes. So our street will actually end, and then this street right here will be a different one. Kind of a long walk to walk that one. And this is where I'm going to end the video. So in this one they have goldfish and turtles and things like that. Let's see if we can see them. A little bit raining and cloudy today. Sometimes this will be more clear. Okay, so I think what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to come to an end. So we'll just yeah, I think I was here once when it was like just super sunny and the water seemed really clear. It wasn't so windy. Today's a windy day. It's late November. Down there, there's more cemeteries in that way, and then there's the hiking trails up in there, overlooking the airport, overlooking the casino. Then we got a bus stop, and our target street was all the way down there, and that's where we're gonna end our video. So hopefully interesting, documenting cities in Macau. Just to give you some context, that's the street that we just walked. That's the cemetery that you can see now. It's a windy, windy day. But you can see the beauty of Macau going down that street. Okay. So I was over by those buildings and we kind of went around these ones. And now we're kind of over by here. So this is kind of, you can see like over this area there's all the cemeteries, and then over there there's the bridge. So so basically these roads will lead into that. Anyways, kind of gives you more context.